Hello everyone, today I just wanted to show you guys this amazing beast speaker system. We have been using this, and as you can see, this one, it has really good feature. It has like, this can go up and down based on the sound coming through. This can go up and down, and from the side you would have power on, input, output, and Bluetooth, and you can decrease the volume from here. I can tell you this is one of the best speaker we had used. Once you have this fully, like if you even put the bass in the middle, it can shake the house. Whatever the movie you are watching, it is amazing. You can feel the house is shaking, and it is wireless. This is the center unit, and we have the bass here. This is, you can see it is very nice, big, and the quality is really nice. It blends well with the other furniture, and it has two other speakers on the back. Let me show you guys. And this comes with two side speakers. As you can see here, this is on the right side, and this comes from the subwoofer, and you need to use wire for this, but from the center to subwoofer you don't use wire. And we have the other one here, and this, you can see, this is really nice, well made, high quality speaker, and the sound quality is amazing. It's like very good quality.